I have a hot tub here that they say it's just humming. So there's only one pump. It's a plug and play. Yeah, it just hums. So we'll turn the power off. Well, unplug it. And we're going to take off this side. Normally it's right underneath where the keypad is. But I heard it over here, so I'm going to take this off. We got the panel off. And there's, like I said, there's only one pump in here. So the first thing you want to do is you want to get behind a little plastic thing right in the center there. You got to remove that. Okay, so we removed it right in the back. We're going to get a slotted screwdriver. And if you can turn it, it's going to be a capacitor. So there, see it moves freely. So I'm just going to leave that there for a second. There's two capacitors. There's a run capacitor and a start capacitor. So obviously it's going to be probably a start capacitor. I'll just show you quickly how to jump start it. We already know that we have to test one of these capacitors here. We have to change it. But I'll show you how to jump start it. So we got to plug it back in. There you go. So we plug it back in. So you got to wait for it when it starts humming. You got to see that's ready to go. It's already on there. So when you start hearing it hum, then you take it and you spin it. So I'm just going to wait for the hum, and then I'm going to spin it. So you can turn it. I'm going to spin it quickly. As soon as I hear the hum. It's just sitting there. So we'll turn it on. Oh, it spun. It spun on its own. It might have been just stuck. But normally, if your pump is humming, twist the shaft, and if it twists freely, then you have to change one of these capacitors, and you're going to test those. If you want to learn how to test a capacitor, I'll link a video right here. If this video helped you out, make sure you put a like on that video. If you haven't subscribed, do that. If you have any questions about this video or anything with your hot tub, write it down in the comments below.